some introduction about the possibilities we have here in academic lessons. Then the main part is from Jan and Miroslav from Anycon Systems. They give us detailed information about BNS and LUDUS, how it works, what you can do with it. We have a short coffee break, and after that, David Tuček from Thomas Sparta University in Sled. He is using it with more than 70 students at semester, and he will give us his experience. And also Mr. Chilka from the head of Institute of Business Management Economics at CTU in Prague. So, and now is coming this connection between BNS and LUDUS. LUDUS is in the background. So when you play both, you have to play a normal LUDUS game, but the participants don't see this LUDUS front end. They are working with BNS, with some professional BI systems. Miroslav and Jan give us some impression in a few minutes. So we are able to combining the best and improving teaching because this BNS don't stand alone. You have not to teach about the software or BI systems without data. You're working with it. And that's the great advantage of it. And you see the power of BI systems by supporting your decisions.
And a combination of professional managerial system with LUDUS really makes good integration between the real life work and some joy from some new education. And I think it's the value which we can get and we can share. And now I'm going to most complex picture. But I think it can be understandable for you because everything is BNS. This is the real life. These are 150 of our customers who are using it. And we give the students the possibility to simulate their strategy and have a joy from the game because those who don't have the simulation, they don't know how good they were in their plan. And thanks to this combination, because we have also university who don't have LUDUS, and we are just telling them about it, how great it would be if they would know if they could compete. And thanks to this combination, they can compete. I mean, they build the business plan, load the business plan every week into LUDUS. In a few minutes, we get the result. They get information about the reality, and they have another week to build a new version of plan. And the fine thing for those who have experience with LUDUS is they can make a scenario, more version before they will decide this is the good version of the plan which I'm going to work with, without the influence of the others. And finally, they get right numbers, complex right numbers, and the team will decide, okay, let's put it into the game. They can do it, and they get very, very easily the result. And this is, I think, great advantage of this combination of both solutions. And these are the answers why business navigation games. Here are our partner university. And here are the benefits which they can get. They can get the transition from education to business, which is much more smoother. They can compete, the teams are competing to achieve the best result. One clear advantage of integration business LUDUS solution, it operates in real environment, and they can integrate it with the information system, which gives them the good experience that when they finish the university, they have an experience with a real software, which is.
So we have a module for sales. In that part, I will be planning my sales quantities and prices and the marketing. Then resources, where I'm gonna buy resources, buy machines, plan my human resources, and so on. And later on, I will transfer all these decisions into the financial reports. So I will beforehand know if everything goes according to plan, what will be my profit after the period, my balance sheet, and my cash flow. If all the decisions and the sales quantities that I plan will actually be exact by the Ludus simulation later on, I will have an exact look of how I should end up if everything goes according to plan. And I will see that there will be already the second column of data. And I can see, for example, over here, that, as I mentioned, the price of this product in initial period was lower than the costs. And in the second column, I can see that if I apply this plan, there's also a margin for the product one to generate profit.
My name is David Tuček. I am a Dean of Faculty of Management and Economics, Tomas Bata University. In this moment, I am also the president of the Association of all economic faculties in Czech Republic. I prepared two presentations, something very shortly about my faculty, because also understand our point of view on the international cooperation, but also in the point of view the tuition of ES-ICT platforms, because in my point of view also this software we can include into this platform. So very shortly about my faculty. If you see this Times Higher Education rankings, what is the maybe most important part of this ranking? The Times Higher Education ranking can show you the position of the university, also based on the study program, based on the study and the research area. Yeah, so if I can sum only maybe the last 2 years, the structure of the lessons that is typical for our students. In the first semester, we implemented Ludus as a part of controlling subject. As I mentioned before, the students, they have the opportunity to spend 5 seminars with Ludus. They usually work with small teams, and we evaluate all teams, and of course the best team at the end of this semester. And as you can see, we also can support the students, the winner of the game.
My name is Mirek Žilka. I'm coming from the Czech Technical University from Prague. We are part of the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, and I'm the head of Department of Business Management and Economics. For the title slide, I chose this lighthouse because I know that Jan really likes this building as a metaphor for business navigation. Let's talk also about the benefits. Yeah, biggest benefit is to receive market feedback. It's very important for the students. It's linked with very high motivation and students' involvement thanks to the use of gamification factor and due to the competitive environment. Yeah, so we have some students that I know that they are normally pretty bored and on the lectures, yeah. But when I compare the approach when they are doing the simulation, they are very active. They are discussing it on the halls and even in the pubs during their free time. Yeah, this is something very important. The motivation, high level of complexity. So this is linked with another topic. This is a proximity to real life experience. Yeah, the situation that when you are overwhelmed by the data and you have to find which data are the important ones and which are not so important, and what are the key performance indicators for this area and for that area. Yeah, this is very important. So proximity to real life experience is very good benefit of business navigation game. And last but not least, you are working in business navigation system environment. So in real life managerial information system. Yeah? So at least in Czech Republic, you can find quite a big number of companies where you can find this system after you go as a graduate into real life. Yeah? So this is another benefit of business navigation game. So from my point of view, these benefits completely overweight the negatives of this solution. This is my point of view.